Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add image on GitHub README. There are three main methods on uploading a file or image on GitHub. And in this video, I am going to show you one of those three methods. Let's go to the browser and search for github.com. On the top right corner, click your profile icon, then go to your repositories. Select any of your repository and open. Once open, look for Add File option and tap Upload Files. Now, you can drag files here to add them to your repository, or you can just click this Choose Your File. Now, once added, you can add optional description of the image you add. After that, click the Commit Changes button. And that's it. You finally add image on your GitHub repository that you can use. And that is how to add image on GitHub. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.